Support and resistance are key levels on the market and one of the most important and basic things every trader should master. But most traders try to make it look so complicated, which is time-wasting and exhausting. Now, let's have a look at this example right here. You can see price went up to this level and then reversed downwards. So the next time price gets to this level again, there is a high chance that price is going to reverse downwards again. Again, we have a support level right here because we can see price went down to this level and reversed upwards. So the next time price gets to this level again, there is a high chance that price is going to reverse to the upside again. A very common mistake most traders make nowadays is draw too many lines on the chart just like this. Are you serious right now? But I get it. If you're a beginner, these things are normal for you to go through. But stop these things because they would rather get you confused on the market, and on top of that, you're not going to be profitable. You will lose and blow all your account. But I got you all, beginners. These 4 secret support and resistance rules will let you master support and resistance, identify them correctly on the market to change your entire trading game. Rule number 1, multiple rejections. You can see in this very example, price went down, hitting the same level several times before reversing back up, showing us multiple rejection. So you just draw your support level here. Also, anytime price went up to this level, it always rejects and reverses back down. So you just draw your resistance level right here. Now, so what if the chart looks like this, where you don't see multiple rejections? And that takes us to our second rule. We need to see a significant move away from the swing high or swing low. So as we can see in this example, there are no multiple rejections. But what do we see? We see a strong down push away from this swing high. Take note, the move has to be very significant, very strong. So you just draw your resistance level here. Again, in this example, we can see price was gradually moving downwards. And when it got to this level, we had a reversal with this significant push to the upside. So what you can do in this case is to draw your support level right here at the swing low. Rule number 3, levels can become both support and resistance. Support can become resistance at any point in time. Resistance can also become support at any point in time. So on this chart right here, we had price bouncing up from this area multiple times to the upside, and that makes the area so strong. So we draw our support level here. Now see what happens once price broke this level. It went back up to retest this area, finding it difficult to break above that level. So the support area previously is now acting as resistance area. Rule number 4, focus on the most recent levels. It is very important to focus on recent levels that matters at that particular point in time, near the current price. Remember, too many lines on the chart will get you confused and not make you see things clearer on the chart. So if this is the current price, in this case, we just draw the support level here. We can see anytime price got here, it bounces back up, and also draw the resistance level right here. These 2 key levels are considered the most important levels near the current price. Now that you understand these secret rules, let's try to apply them to the chart. In this example, we can draw our resistance level right here because we can see multiple rejections at that level. Anytime price gets to that level, it reverses back. We can also see it's near the current price. We can also see a significant move away from this level, which is the swing high. Again, we can draw our support level here because anytime price got to that level, it reverses back up, giving us multiple rejections. So right this moment, we can see price broke through the support level to the downside, came back up to retest that same level, which now acted as resistance level. So you can see all the 4 rules have been applied on the chart. Very simple. So now that you've learned how to identify support and resistance level, how do you properly trade them? Let's have a look at this chart. We can see multiple rejections right here. So we draw our resistance level like this. Price goes up to hit the level and you wait. You don't immediately jump on the trade like that. You need confirmation. And right here, we have an engulfing candle right there. Bearish engulfing candle, signaling that the sellers are ready to push price to the downside. And right from that moment, price heavily pushed to the downside. Keeping your trade simple will help your trading psychology and increase your profitability on the market. Trust me, if you apply these rules, your trading is never going to be the same. Hit the subscribe button if you got value from this video, and don't forget to like as well. See you in the next video.